Where's he going? He's making a move for you, dude. He's going for the water.
Yeah. Look at him with his back legs all up like that.
I know, he's like off the ground.
He looks like a...
Get me back in the water.
Oh,
Look at that tail.
what's up, man? You're gonna get...
No, don't get caught again.
He did.
He is caught. Oh my gosh.